Presiden bertrekam jong ke NPP ke Jylla bat Menteri Sorkar, Marcus and Marang, ulakentat ya ke Jingkynnoh jong MDC ke BJP Natura, Bernan and Marang, halor ke jingïada hapdeng Menteri Rangba Conrad ke Sangma, baru MLA berim ke Pulbari Estamul Momenin. Bernan ulakenno ba ke Jingyo Jamin jong Momenin ke Pini, ba Menteri Rangba Kirshan ya Hindray Marcus ulaong, ba ke ni ke Jingkynnoh kalong ke baklem nongrim, bat ke bayalam baklai ki paidbah. Ulaong ba kakashari betrekam light luit bat amday Menteri Rangba uba ay Jamin ya ununu nadadan jingkili halor ke Jamin deban kili ya kakashari ya ka sorkar. Ula banjur ru baha ka sinshar paidbah kabor sinshar bat kabor bishar kiri ki Mynta ki bayaklan bat ke Jingyo Jamin kade karai jong kakashari.
So bail was given by whom? Is it Honorable Chief Minister who has given the bail? No, it is not the Honorable Chief Minister. The bail was given from the court. So why don't he ask the court there saying ki Chief Minister was favoring or something? It's totally baseless. These are totally unacceptable statements. They're giving this just to mislead the people. Practically in our democracy, executive, judiciary are totally separate identities or entities, totally. Constitutionally, judiciaries don't listen to the executives. Even we have lots of cases pending in courts, which we are fighting, but Bernard Marak is accusing Honorable Chief Minister, favoring him because he got a bail. No, that is totally unacceptable, totally misleading. It's judiciary or honorable judiciary who has decided to give a bail based on what we don't know. So therefore, it's totally baseless allegations.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.